Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are the Mighty Guru Yogurt. Oh yes, we are. Well now, we're 2/3 of the way, more or less, through January. Summer is coming. Haha! Yeah, whatever that turns out to mean this year. Summer became so unpredictable a couple of decades ago, really. It's not the way I remember it when I was little. Anyway, it's been appalling up here in Cumbria the last couple of days. I've not been out on the motorcycle until today, and it's really not the best day at all today. The roads are still piss wet through. It's been really claggy, misty, foggy all day long. I think it's now about 2 o'clock, is it? Yeah, it's about 2 o'clock. I've just been out for a short ride. I'm now heading back to Millom and then on toward home, which is about 15 minutes away. I've got to stop off at the supermarket and pick up some stuff for tea, dinner, whatever you want to call it, and probably some cans of beer as well. So, according to the weather forecast, it's going to pour with rain all day long tomorrow. So I think I'm probably going to go to work in the van. But we'll see. And then I think I'm going to be having 5 days without any paid work to do. Or maybe it'll only be 4, I don't know. It'll all become clear when I get back to work. But essentially what I'm doing at the moment, because I don't have a choice about it, is I'm taking every day's work that I can take, because I need to build up some money. I've got things I want to do when the nice weather does come again, and I don't want to have to be scraping around for pennies. So I've just very deliberately gone the long way round, because, as I said, this is the first ride I've had for, I think, 3 days now. And if I'm not going to be riding tomorrow, I want to make the most of it today. So I'm on the 595 here. I could have turned left back there and been home within about 10-15 minutes. This is going to take about twice as long, but it's a nice bit of road. And it will give me another 15 minutes of riding, which is always a good thing. So then, I've got a few things to talk about in this particular film. First of all, as always, a warm welcome to my new subscribers. You know who you are, even if I don't. Hope you're enjoying the content. And as I always say, there's a lot more to come. And there is. Okay, so the big subject today is a discussion on the freedom that motorcycling gives you. Now, motorcyclists talk about this a lot, and it seems to be a truth that is, to paraphrase Jane Austen, universally accepted, that riding a motorcycle gives you more freedom. And people don't really question it, they just take it as read, it's a given. Of course it does. Or does it? Well, that's the topic that I've been thinking deeply about quite recently, and I think that by now I have more or less formulated my thinking on this subject. And my short answer to the question, does riding a motorcycle enhance or increase your personal freedom? No, it bloody well doesn't. And there are reasons why I think this, which I will come to quite soon. a lot of it hinges, it seems to me, on what we mean when we talk about freedom. Freedom, what is it? And can we have it? Do we have it? I would argue not. But as I say, I will make my position on this very clear very soon. For now, I'm just going to sit back and enjoy this bit of road and then go to the shop.